Welcome to our informative video series on manufacturing in Mexico. Today we'll be discussing the main advantages of manufacturing in Mexico. If you're considering expanding your manufacturing operations, this video is for you. Mexico has emerged as a prime manufacturing destination for companies around the world. Let's explore some of the key advantages. Firstly, Mexico offers a strategic geographic location. It shares borders with the United States and has access to the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. This proximity to major consumer markets, particularly the lucrative North American market, enables efficient supply chain management and reduced transportation costs. Secondly, Mexico has a well-established network of free trade agreements. With more than 50 trade agreements with countries worldwide, including the United States, Canada, the European Union, and many Latin American nations, Mexico enjoys preferential market access, reduced tariffs, and streamlined customs procedures, facilitating international trade and enhancing competitiveness. Another advantage of manufacturing in Mexico is its skilled and cost-effective labor force. Mexico boasts a large pool of skilled workers in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, electronics, and medical devices. The country's labor costs are generally lower compared to other manufacturing destinations, which allows for cost savings without compromising on quality. Mexico's robust supplier base is also worth mentioning, with a strong ecosystem of suppliers, making it easier for manufacturers to source components, raw materials, and services locally. This reduces lead times, transportation costs, and dependence on international suppliers. Furthermore, Mexico offers a stable business environment and favorable investment incentives. The Mexican government has implemented measures to attract foreign direct investment, including tax incentives, grants, and support programs. These incentives encourage companies to invest in manufacturing facilities, technology, research, and development. Additionally, Mexico has made significant progress in terms of infrastructure development. The country has invested heavily in transportation, logistics, and telecommunications infrastructure, improving connectivity within Mexico and with international markets. This infrastructure advancement further enhances supply chain efficiency and operational capabilities. When it comes to intellectual property protection, Mexico has taken steps to strengthen its legal framework. It has aligned its intellectual property laws with international standards, providing greater protection for patents, trademarks, and copyrights. This instills confidence in companies looking to invest in research and development activities in Mexico. Lastly, manufacturing in Mexico allows companies to tap into a vibrant and dynamic market. The country's domestic market has a population of over 120 million people, with a growing middle class and increasing consumer purchasing power. By manufacturing in Mexico, companies can cater to the local market while utilizing the country as a springboard for exporting to other regions. In summary, the main advantages of manufacturing in Mexico include its strategic geographic location, extensive network of free trade agreements, skilled and cost-effective labor force, robust supplier base, stable business environment, favorable investment incentives, developed infrastructure, intellectual property protection, and access to a growing domestic market. By leveraging these advantages, companies can enhance their competitiveness, optimize their supply chains, and capitalize on the opportunities offered by manufacturing in Mexico. Stay tuned for more informative content on manufacturing in Mexico.